After all the leaks of the last weeks detailing information about the Pixel 8, Pixel 8 Pro, and the Pixel Watch 2, Google will finally officially unveil the new hardware today. But there are still a few hours left to check out the latest leaks, which all come from a relatively new X-user named Mystery Lupin, who is probably a previously known active leaker under a different name. We start with a lot of new and official promo pictures. We have some additional useful details from the official spec sheets of a big US mobile provider. Much has already been written about the specs and technical data, not all of which unfortunately turned out to be correct. For instance, it is unfortunately quite unlikely that Google has actually replaced the ISOCELL GN1 sensor behind the main Pixel 8 camera with a larger ISOCELL GN2. This information still remains a bit of a mystery. Even the data sheet does not provide a definitive answer to that question because no sensor information is given. However, the aperture has definitely increased from f/1.85 in the Pixel 7 to f/1.68, which promises more light at the same sensor size. However, nothing has changed in the ultra-wide-angle cam, as well as with a maximum of 4K recordings up to 60 frames per second. The official spec sheet of the Pro model also does not provide an answer to the question of whether a GN2 or a GN1 is in the Pixel 8 Pro, but the aperture of the main camera has also increased here similar to the base model. The 48-megapixel ultra-wide-angle camera with a very large f/1.95 aperture is also new here. And there is another positive surprise. Although the sensor behind the telephoto camera is likely the same as in the Pixel 7 Pro, the open aperture is increased from f/3.5 to 2.8. By the way, this spec sheet now specifies the magnification factor as 4.5x and no longer 5x, so Google obviously returns partly to the specs of the telephoto camera in the Pixel 6 Pro, which officially offered 4x optical zoom. Last but not least, there are also current hints regarding the official US prices. Accordingly, it will cost $100 more to get the Pixel 8 or Pixel 8 Pro base model compared to last year's offerings from Google. According to the latest information from this tipster, the Pixel 8 will be available in the US for $699 for 128 gigs and $759 for 256. The Pixel 8 Pro starts at $999 for the 128 gigs model and costs $1,059 with 256. and $1,179 with 512 gigs of storage. So, what are your thoughts about these prices? Which one will you buy? Share your thoughts below in the comment section, and for more updates, you can check out our channel. See you in the next one. Peace out.